my channel. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notification as I upload my video. Yes, I have 2 or 3 videos coming up after this video, but before that I literally wanted to unlock this cute bag. So first and foremost, thank you so much, Rizwana. Actually, my friend Rizwana, she lives in Dubai, and when I went, she gave me this, and it is actually 1st of August. I came back on, I think, 21st, I think so, and today only I am getting proper time to like check what gift she has given to me. So yeah, let's unbox. Before that, I have bought some of the things, but I saw this brand called Mumuso. Here in India we have Miniso, right? But there they have this Mumuso. I don't know if it's there in India or not. And this is the gloss. I have my gloss, the one which I'm like I just applied little bit. So yeah, this is the gloss. It's like plumping tinted lip gel. And then I also bought this brand is called Smooth. This was there in Day to Day, I think so I bought this also. And chocolates were there and perfume. First of all, look at this bag, how cute this is. Like, we have this, and here we have this punch of this is it donkey? No, it is sheep. It's a sheep. See what she has given. I legit haven't seen anything. So yeah, let's take the first thing what she has given. Okay, so the first thing is this Crunch high protein low sugar bar. So we just try how it is. I've never seen this kind of chocolates anywhere. Oh, this looks so different. It looks like the Milky Bar. Matlab, can you see how it looks? Looks like Milky Bar. Let me just try. It has some kind of gel. Something is there. It's like Milky Bar and caramel mixed. It's good. Yeah. So then wipes. So she has given me wet wipes. Thank you so much. Very much needed. So wet wipes is also there. We have Cadbury Choco Bakes Choco filled cookie. So even this is there. We have this huge chocolate. Brand is Fiji milky compound cocoa filled with caramel. Again, caramel based chocolate. Then we have Milka Oreo. Oh, it has almost melted. I can literally feel. So yeah, Oreo chocolate. 2 other chocolates. So lot of chocolates are, Rizwana. Thank you. Then we have the very famous Dubai Kunafa chocolate, very famous. Actually, I was very much curious how this chocolate tastes, but it is more like chocolate plus munch. That's what I felt. Do let me know what you think about Dubai chocolate. I have one more chocolate, another chocolate, another chocolate. Oh, there is another chocolate. So yeah, as I can see, there are like lot of like chocolates everywhere. Clip. This is a flower shaped clip. Thank you so much. It will go well. Wait. Probably here. The clip is good. Actually, it's a hair clip, guys. Yeah. So good one. I can just put like a clutch anytime. We have this chotu sa sunflower wala, matlab not sunflower, matlab flower wala clip. Again, so we have 2 clips. Thank you. This is like cute. We have this. What is this? I don't know what is this. Does anyone know what is this? Matlab, it's written in full Chinese, matlab fully Chinese. I can't understand. Let me just quickly do what like I'll just translate it in Google and tell you guys. Wait. It is written here. Here it is written pretty girl, and this is the body spray. So let's just spray then the fragrance. Good. More like flowery fragrance. very subtle flowery, very subtle flowery fragrance, guys. It's good. Oh, we have this romantic 5-star, which is a lipstick in the shade A03. It's sealed. Let me just open the shade. Look, guys, this is a very, kind of like a pinkish kind of a shade. Let me just quickly apply. It's actually good. It's actually kind of like a pinkish shade. Can you like see? It's like a pinkish shade. So yeah, this is good color is one. I actually like, whenever like in my college days, I always used to wear only the red color, like proper dark red I used to. And I still remember my college friend Shiraz, she used to tell me that you're always applying such a loud shade, you should not do that. Whenever you're going out you can, but then other times try to do subtle thing like something like pink or something like that. So she used to tell me, and I remember that. I don't know how come I was applying red lipstick every single day. If I'm thinking now, I'm like, did I apply red lipstick every single day to my college? Like I'm thinking, but then yeah, I am into these shades now. So yeah, thank you so much. It is good. Next we have one more lipstick, but look how it is now. Like I'm seeing this thing for the first time. Guys, what is this? Is it a lipstick or is it a lipstick? Lip balm? What is this? Let me just apply it here and see. Here. Huh? Nothing is happening. Guys, I think this is lip balm. See. Oh shit, I have ruined. This is kind of like a lip balm, guys, but for the first time I'm seeing green. Okay, good one and new. What is Gulf Girl matte ink? Oh, liquid eyeliner. Look how it is, guys. I am not exaggerating or I'm not overreacting, because I've never seen eyeliners like this. You see how the packaging is? Eyeliner? Have you seen an eyeliner like this? I have never seen. And by the way, I'm telling you, I can apply anything in the world except for eyeliner, because whenever I just, not me, but whenever I'm asking other person to just apply eyeliner, I automatically get tears in my eyes. So I never apply eyeliner. But this looks good. Let's just see how the applicator is. Oh, this is so minute. Like, can you see? Let's just apply over here. Great, no? Great. It's great, guys. It's great. Maybe I can try applying eyeliner here, or else I can ask somebody else to do that, because. But look at the packaging, how it is. Look at the product, how it is. Thank you, Rizwana. Cute brown set of this thing, rubber bands with this heart shaped. What is this? So it is Kiala Beauty perfume hand cream. They have perfume hand cream? I know hand cream, like I bought last time, but perfume hand cream? I think I have to just. Oh, is there any instruction how to? After washing hands, apply proper amount of hand cream on hands. Apply eventually, massage until absorbed. So let me just take maybe one pump like this, and let me just close. How will this be? What does the fragrance will be really good? Let me just quickly do a proper rub into my. Okay. This feels very kind of like an oily thing. Can you see? But the smell is good. Oh, then it absorbs also. I can see it getting absorbed. Can you see this oily thing? Okay. Yeah, it is automatically getting absorbed in like less than 3-4 seconds. the smell is very light, but like, you know, very fresh, I would say. Yeah, it got absorbed. It's great. Good product. Again, thank you for this. Have okay. We have this very tiny छोटू सा, मतलब, can you see? Can you see this? We have this one, guys. छोटू सा, मतलब, keychain. So cute. It's so cute. Kind of like an angry Doraemon. Can you see? It's an angry Doraemon. मतलब, I'll just show you. Wait. Camera, please focus करो यहाँ पे. Okay, I'll just tilt the camera and show you later. It's like an angry, you know, thing. But yeah, thank you for this. Next, look at this. Look at this, guys. It's so pretty, no? Oh my god. This is like so pretty, and you know, like, we can style it whenever we are going to any function, or especially where we are aligning with any other outfit where gold, you know, sets it well. This is good. Even this I'll just show you so you can see better. What we have is, it's a bracelet. It's a bracelet, guys. A bracelet. Let me just show you quickly those three things. So this is the bracelet. Ring, guys. Look at this. So good. Can you see his face? Yes. These are the gifts what Rizwana she gave to me, my friend. Thank you so much, Rizwana. Thank you so much for this gift. I literally love each and every gift. Like, each and every product is really very thoughtful, starting from this very different eyeliner to this body spray which I have never seen, and this perfume. Now my hand is like completely absorbed also. The smell is also there, very subtle smell. And bracelet, like, each and everything is really so thoughtful. Thank you, Rizwana. I feel so bad. Like, when I met her, I think I met her on, I think the 4th day of the trip. Oh, my dad is calling. Just hold on. 4th day or something. I think we met only for like 2 or 2.5 hours. I really didn't get her anything. I'm now feeling very bad that I didn't get her anything. Sorry, Rizwana, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry. But then we had a good chat, and you know, we had dinner together, so it was a good time. And then she gave me this very cute gift also. So thank you, Rizwana. I really liked all of this gifts. Like, I didn't thought that it would be so thoughtful. बहुत अच्छा था. Thank you so much. And hope you are enjoying Dubai's heat, because Dubai's temperature is crazy. I don't know how she's surviving. I don't know how people in Dubai, they are like, maybe they are used to the weather, but it is insane. So yeah, so thank you so much, Rizwana, once again. You all the gift बहुत अच्छा था. Thank you. And yes, guys, thank you. If you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you with a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.